Let me show you how to uninstall and also delete apps on your Google Pixel 10a. Also what to do if you can't delete the app. So first, to delete an app, so you simply, if it's on your home screen, you click and hold on it and then start to drag it anywhere. So you see, and then this option will appear. So let's do it again. So you click and hold and then start to drag it anywhere. And you see, you can drag it over the trash can over here and it will offer to uninstall. So yep, uninstalled, yep. Also in your app library, you can do the same. So for example, if you want to uninstall this app, so again, click and hold and start to drag, and see, you can also drag it there on the uninstall option. Or also if you click and hold again, you can also click app info and uninstall from here as well. You prefer that. So what to do if you can't uninstall app? So for example, you see, if I try to uninstall YouTube, if I drag it, I see there isn't that option. So then what you have to do is, again, click and hold on it and click app info. And as you see, we also do not have the uninstall option. So basically there are some system apps such as YouTube or any other, which Google thinks is very important for your phone, that actually can't be uninstalled. So the only thing we can do for them is simply disable them. So if you disable it, yeah, as you see, it actually still disappears from your screen, but again, it's somewhere still located in your system files, but again, it won't run. It's kind of like completely disabled. And again, so if you want to like enable it back, you have to actually go in the Play Store or in the settings deep to enable it. Okay, good luck.